Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
I can think of no positive evidence for any kind of intelligent or divine design, and it's a deeply mysterious problem, the origin of the universe. Physicists are working on it. Certainly that won't be helped by postulating a supernatural intelligence. To postulate that merely raises bigger questions than it answers.
Everything that is known through itself has been created, and everything that exists by virtue of other things is the effect of a cause. He works, but not with the help of instruments. He fixes measures, but not with the activity of thinking. He is rich, but not by acquisition. Times do not keep company with him, and implements do not help him. His being precedes times. His existence precedes non-existence, and his eternity precedes beginning. By his creating the senses, it is known that he has no senses. By the contraries in various matters, it is known that he has no contrary. And by the similarity between things, it is known that there is nothing similar to him. He has made light the contrary of darkness, brightness that of gloom. Dryness that of moisture, and heat that of cold. He produces affection among inimical things. He fuses together diverse things, brings near remote things, and separates things which are joined together. He is not confined by limits, nor counted by numbers. Stillness and motion do not occur in him. And how can that thing occur in him, which he has himself made to occur? And how can a thing revert to him which he first created? And how can a thing appear in him which he first brought to appearance? If it had not been so, his self would have become subject to diversity. His being would have become divisible into parts. And his reality would have been prevented from being deemed eternal. If there was a front to him, there would have been a rear also for him. He would need completing only if shortage befell him. In that case, signs of the created would appear in him, and he would become a sign leading to other objects, instead of signs leading to him. Through the might of his abstention from affectedness, he is far above being affected by things which affect others. He is that which does not change or vanish. The process of setting does not behove him. He has not begotten anyone, lest he be regarded as having been born. He has not been begotten, otherwise he would be contained within limits. He is one, but not by counting. He is everlasting without any limit. He is existent without any support. Minds admit of him without any activity of the senses. Things which can be seen stand witness to him without confronting him. Imagination cannot encompass him.